welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So it is day 7, yes, day 7 of 12 days of Christmas. A video every single day. Have you been tuning in, guys? So today we're going to do a eye makeup tutorial just because I feel like I've been doing full face makeup tutorials and I'm like, oh my god, I need to do something different because you guys are gonna get bored. And I'm getting bored. I'm gonna like mix it up a little bit. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this eye makeup, this like icy kind of vibe eye makeup, just keep on watching, guys. So this is as far as it zooms in, so you can see this, the eye is done off camera. I am loving the blue, green, purpley shift. The lid colour is literally all I care about. That's all I care about. So we're going to be dipping into the extra large Carnival BPERFECT palette. I'm going to go in with the colour, so those two there, so Fade and Haul. And the reason why I'm going in with Fade and Haul together is because I want a neutral brown, and when I put it on this side, the Fade colour, the more neutral one, was really grey. I'm actually starting off with a 224 MAC brush today, which is really weird because I never use that. And start off in the middle and work my way back and forth through the crease. Just like that. You can see it looks a little bit grey. So in a second I'm going to get that Haul colour and mix it in with that. So I'm going to pop that on first. Because it is a lighter colour and not a really extreme dark colour. That's why I'm using this brush, not a really tiny brush. If it was like a black, I would not be using this massive ass brush. And then we're going to dip into that Haul colour. So it's like a warmish brown colour. Just to make it a little bit more neutral. We don't want it warm, we don't want it cool, we want it nice and neutral. So any neutral brown will do. When I say neutral, if you don't get what I mean, it's basically like warm is more yellowy, more like chocolatey kind of colour, and then cool tone is more grey. And neutral is like just your basic kind of brown colour. I like a nice neutral at the moment. Especially with this like colour on the lid, it looks really nice. So I'm just mixing those two together now, just to get a really nice colour. Like I said, you can use a different brown, but I feel like when I put a neutral on any sort of coloured base, like because this is like a concealer I put underneath as a base, I feel like if I put a neutral shadow on top, it just goes grey straight away because it's kind of mixing in with the concealer. This obviously is going to be a more informative video, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush. I take Intuition, which is that really dark brown colour. I feel like I've been missing doing this way of makeup. Do you know when you go in with your lighter colours first, so you darken it up? I haven't done it for ages. And just working that in there. This is a really good brush for like cutting the crease and stuff. Well, not cutting the crease, but a crease brush. And I'm going to tap this on the outer corner. Because I've already got face makeup on, I'm going to be really careful when I'm doing this as well because I don't want any fallout. But so far, don't jinx myself, where's wood? Knock on wood. So far, no fallout. So I think that looks nice. So then we're going to cut the crease. We use a flat brush and I'm just going back and forth with my brush on this product just so we've got a really nice thin end on it. And what we're going to do is literally use the end of the brush just to tap it on. Just so you've got a really nice crisp edge because you don't want to be like dragging it because it'll basically make the brush do the work for you. I never take it all the way out to the outer corner, but I like the vibe of like all this, like all of that. Like, oh, it looks beautiful. Makes your eyes look bigger as well. So I thought, okay, I'll actually try it out today. Then what we're going to do is, you don't have to do this step, but I feel like this just secures, have you seen that bottle, bloody hell, tube, whatever you want to call it. This secures the pigment in place for you, even though it looks like a bloody glitter on there. A flat brush with that NYX, not even NYX, it's Too Faced glitter glue, but the NYX one is really good as well. I've got the remainders of this Too Faced one, so I'm not going to buy another one if I've already got one. Do you get what I mean, guys? So I'm just going to pat that on and just make sure you're not going higher than the concealer. So you're just going to put that all over where the concealer is. So the pigment I'm going to go in with is this Peaches and Cream one. It's called FANGULOUS. It's part of the, I think it was not this year, last year's Halloween collection. Put this on, just make sure you're patting it because you've got foundation on, you don't want it to go everywhere. So I'm literally just taking that a little bit at a time and just really patting it in. That's my mum sneezing in the background. And if you want a cut crease to look really sharp, you don't want it to look like faded at the end. So I'm just going to pat that on. Have you seen that colour, guys? That is such a beautiful colour. Get a glitter wet on your skin, it will not budge, it will not move. So if you spray that, it'll stay in place. I'm going to go in with a black liner in the waterline. This is MAC Feline. I'm just going to put that in the waterline. And then up here as well. a black eyeshadow, so just that one from that palette on a little diddy brush, and I'm going to go back and forth. Now make sure you top it off before you put it on, and make sure you're really soft with this colour, because if not, black goes everywhere. Just literally going back and forth really, really softly. Oh, let's not put it there. The M506 brush with the colour faded to the lightest colour, and then go straight on top of those both. I've been liking doing a more soft, not softer under eye, but a little bit less on the under eye. I feel like everybody's doing the whole clean under eye look, and I kind of like it, so I'm trying to do it myself. And this is going to be hard to put on, to be honest with you guys, because I've got bloody, my mouth's just curled. Okay, hopefully that's on properly. I can't bloody tell. I think if I were doing it again, I'd leave it blank, because it depends if you like a highlight in the inner corner or not. But I'm going to do it to match this, but I feel like I'm liking a more less highlighted look. A Morphe M506 brush and pat it in the outer corner. This is a beautiful glitter though. It's beautiful. Someone said in one of my videos, oh my god, you said beautiful word, you said beau. I'm like, yeah, I said beau, because it's like, I don't know if it's like, that's a Yorkshire thing saying beau. Oh my god, it's beau. I don't know if I said beautiful, weird now. Do you know when someone says, oh, you said beau, right, cute? I'm like, what? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so there are the finished eyes. What are you thinking? They are a little bit more neutral with a little bit of colour. I feel like a lot of people are scared of colour, so this is a great way to incorporate it. If you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. It's Blendbyhan on Instagram. Go follow me as well. Cheeky little follow. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching these 12 days of Christmas. Let me know if you've been watching every single day in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.